Hello, dear Cancerians. A very, very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading from 1st of August till 10th of August. And keep in mind, as these are journal readings, this might or might not resonate with you. And the second thing is that the roles can be reversed anytime, okay? So let's start, Cancerian, your reading. Let's start. Your partner's current energy right now is, okay? Cancerians, your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Okay, these cards are literally jumping out for you. Okay. Moon, I feel like you are dealing with a Pisces Cancer. So I feel like this person right now is very, very fearful. They are living in some kind of fear right now. They are acting very, very secretive, not giving not giving you the exact answer or not giving you the exact feeling of what they are feeling right now. Okay. So this is the moon in their current energy. Let me clarify. So this person is very, very fearful about something in their life. They are fearing the unknown. Okay, and there's a blockage in their intuition. They're not able to understand what is happening with them, what the actual fuck is happening with them, right? So let's clarify the moon. It's like some kind of bad luck they are going through right now, might be. Let's clarify. Nine of Swords, see, Seven of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles. This person is deeply sad, deeply, deeply anxious and stressed. They are not able to sleep, not able to sleep, and they are deeply, deeply regretting what they did. There's something that is stressing them out. They are very anxious. They are very stressed. They are having sleepless nights right now. They are just waiting for something to happen. They are waiting for something to happen very, very, very eagerly, trying to heal from something, trying to be mature, trying to be practical, and they're just trying to heal from something and waiting for something to happen for, very eagerly. Might be from a very long time they are waiting for this thing to happen, but very eagerly they're waiting for this thing. This is happening. Yeah. So let's see. What's your current energy, Cancerians? Your current energy right now is, let's see. Your current energy right now is Ace of Wands. Cancerians, I feel like you are moving on in life. Right now, you're just enjoying life the way it is coming. This is the Ace of Wands. It is kind of starting your life all over again after lots of shit. And this is like physical intimacy, physical attraction towards. Might be you are acting very, very physically confident and people are getting attracted towards you. This is just the start of a physical relationship that I can see here. Okay, I don't feel like there's love here, but I feel like you are right now feeling like, okay, I will just have a physical relationship with everybody right now, anybody who is coming to my life. I'm not going to get serious about anybody, and this is a passionate brand new beginning in your life that you are trying to do, trying to start. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands in your current energy. Ten of Wands, King of Cups, Page of Cups. So from King of Cups, you're coming to Page of Cups. Okay, I feel like you were feeling some kind of burden over your shoulder. You are feeling like I'm taking too much of stress. I should not just take this much of stress in my life. I should just release this stress, and I should not trust in love right now. I should not waste my time in love right now. That's why you're just coming from King of Cups to Page of Cups. You are feeling like, okay, I will just be with a person who is going to make me feel good. That's it. I'm not going to fall in love again, or I'm not going to fall in love just like that. It is like you are just trying to be physically present with somebody, physically present with someone, okay, and not giving a commitment or not giving a serious look towards what is happening in this connection. This is all about you trying to, trying to might be manipulate yourself, manipulate your own feelings. You are feeling like I am not going to, fall in love again right now, not right now, not right now, not happening. Okay, this is what is happening with you guys, Cancerians. So let's see what this person is feeling for you, whomsoever you are connected with or you were connected with. Whenever you are watching a video and whomsoever is coming to your mind, that is your person. Okay, let's see what this person is feeling for you. Seven of Cups. I feel like this person is feeling like that, feeling like they have lots of options in their life. They are really confused. This person is really, really confused about it. They are feeling really confused about this connection. This is the Seven of Cups. They are not getting any kind of clarity. They are stressed. They are anxious, but they are not getting any kind of clarity. Might be they are having other options in their life. Might be they are having another relationship in their life that they are not, able to understand which one is good for them, you or them, or something like that. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups. Very, very confused about you. Very confusing energy that they're carrying right now. That's why they are stressed, because they are very confused, conflicted. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups. Death could be dealing with the Scorpios, Nine of Pentacles, and the Two of Cups. So, okay, I feel like this person is feeling like they are ending this connection with you, and they are just working on their money, working on their finances, working on their business, and they are just right now being friends with themselves. This is what I'm getting here. They are just trying to being in love with themselves right now. So for you, they are feeling like this is the end of the connection. You guys are not having any kind of love for each other right now, and they are feeling like they should just focus on themselves, on their money, on their pentacles, and they should be having a loving relationship when they will be financially stable, when they will be stable in their life. So right now they are just taking a break. They are confused, hell confused about you, that I can understand. But they are feeling like this relationship is over now. They should focus on themselves. After focusing on themselves, on their money, on their business, then they should start any kind of connection in their life. Yeah. Or then they should come back to you, and then they should talk to you. Now they are feeling like, yeah, okay, I'm having options in my life. I'm having lots of confusion whether I want this person in my life or not. But I feel like this person is just waiting for the right time to become something in their life, then come back to you. Yeah, this is what they're feeling. This is what they are feeling right now. Let's see what this person wants from you. They're feeling like they're nothing right now. Let's see what this person wants from you. Five of Pentacles. Okay, so I feel like this person wants to go away right now. This person wants to move on right now, because this person is feeling like they are completely shattered. They are someone, whom you betrayed. But this person is feeling some kind of betrayal from your side. Cancerians, to be very honest. This person feels like you betrayed them, you left them hanging on the wall, you left them without any reason, you didn't give them any kind of reason. You just left, you just walked away, and they just want to come out of the situation, to come out of this betrayal feeling. This is what they want. And they are feeling like they what they want from you, they want to come out of the situation where you are feeling like they betrayed you, or they did something wrong with you. They just want you to come out of the situation of pain and betrayal and hatred. Yeah, let's clarify. Magician, Five of Cups, Eight of Pentacles. So this person is manifesting you back in their life. They want you back in their life, but right now they are completely shattered, completely regretting what they did with you. But in the future, I feel like again this is coming. In the future, they will come back to you, because they feel like they will be stable, they will be making more money, they will be financially stable and mentally stable, emotionally stable. Then they will come back to you. Then they want you to come back to them, then they want you back in their life. This is what is happening. So right now this person wants you to come out of this phase where you are feeling like they betrayed you, they did something wrong with you. They are manifesting you back in their life. They are manifesting this pain to end, this grief to end, and they should just work on themselves right now. This is a very complicated reading actually. So let's see Cancerian, what is coming towards you till the 10th of August. Let's see. Ten of Swords. I feel like this will be the end of your pain. This will be the end of your pain. Ten of Swords. So it is like you are going to feel like, although you are going to feel like you are betrayed, or somebody betrayed you, somebody did something very wrong with you, but you will come out of the situation, because this is the end. Ten of Swords. Ten is end. One plus zero one. So it is like the end and start of a new beginning, start of a new life. This is good for you actually. Might be this is hurtful for you, but this is good for you eventually. This is going to turn out good for you. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords. Page of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Star could be dealing with an Aquarius. So I feel like yes, you are going to spy on that person. You are going to look what they are doing, and they are also going to do that. Okay. And I feel like this person will come out of nowhere, and they will connect with you. they will be very hopeful and positive about this, about the future of this connection. This is what is happening. So I feel like this person is coming towards you because they are feeling like they are feeling like the worst is over now. Now they are staring at your pictures, looking at your pictures, looking how happy you are, looking how good you are doing in your life. And I feel like they are going to offer you a friendship offer. This is the thing. And I feel like they are being very, very positive and hopeful about this, about the future of this connection. They want to heal and grow with you. This is what is happening with you. So this is what is coming towards you. This is a 10 of swords energy. I feel like this person is coming back towards you now because they are feeling like the worst is over in this connection. Now you guys can start this connection all over again. I don't feel like there's commitment energy or love energy or there's some kind of, lovey-dovey talks. But yes, there will be a definite start or kick start to this connection all over again. So this is what is happening with you guys, Cancerians, till the 10th of August. I hope this reading will give you some kind of insight regarding your relationship life, right? So thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.